Hey people, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be discussing what paid ads channel is the best for your business. Now, paid advertising is one of the most effective ways to generate leads, generate sales, generate traffic, but I think for a lot of business owners, it can often be quite overwhelming because you've got so many paid advertising channels these days. You've got obviously Meta, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Google as well. So you've got all these paid advertising channels where they all want your money and they're all promising big things. So no matter what your goals are, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the best paid advertising channels for each of the different goals. So if you're looking for brand awareness, if you're looking to generate leads, or if you're looking to generate online sales, I'm going to be breaking that down in today's video. So I really do hope you enjoy. If you do, drop a comment, subscribe, and we will get on to today's video. Just a really quick one. If you are looking for advice when it comes to your marketing needs, don't hesitate to book a call with me. There'll be a call booking link in the description below, and you can just go ahead and book in a 30-minute slot with me there. So our first paid advertising channel is Google Ads, and this is the best for high intent searches. The people that should be using this are e-commerce brands, local companies, and service-based businesses as well. Now, I'll just outline a little bit why each one should. E-commerce brands, you can literally get people searching for your specific thing. So say if I'm selling this pen here, I can literally get people searching for the pen. Service-based businesses, exactly the same. You can get people who are searching for your exact service. So say if you are a marketing agency, you can get people who are searching for that. And then for the local businesses, that is purely Google Maps. Google Maps is the most used, if not one of the most used maps out there in the world. And if you're ranking up at the top, then you're obviously going to get more traffic to your businesses. So why does it work? And the answer is it's the biggest out there. Like, simple as that. You can literally get traffic from people who are actively searching for your product, and Google dominates the market when it comes to search engines. So what are the different type of ads that you can run on Google? So there's four main points. It's the search intent keywords, they've got shopping ads, they've got retargeting ads, and they've also got YouTube ads as well. Now, for the search intent keywords, these are going to be that people that I mentioned that are actively searching for your product, your service, for your business. The YouTube advertising is going to be a bit more random. It's going to be a bit more on interests, but you'll be able to target those people with video. For the retargeting ads, you're going to be able to retarget people who have visited your website, who have visited your social media profiles, or maybe who have even visited your business before on Google Maps. And your shopping is going to be to allow people to purchase e-commerce products from you. Our next paid media channel is Facebook and Instagram ads, and this is best for converting customers that you didn't really know existed. The main companies who should use this are e-commerce brands, B2C companies, and then people that are looking to target specific geographical areas. E-commerce brands, you can drive like impulse purchases. The geographical areas is kind of self-explanatory. And the B2C companies, you can generate customers, like actually generate customers. Instead of just relying on people searching, you can actually go ahead and actively target those people. So why do meta ads work? The meta ads network actually allows you to target people based on their interests and based on how they've used the meta platforms and the meta network. So this is a level of targeting that Google has never been able to manage. And so the reason why that's so powerful is they don't even have to be actively searching for your product, for your business. They don't even have to know about your business. You can go ahead and reach out to them through the meta ads network. So some really good ways to get the benefits of Facebook and Instagram ads are their custom lookalike audiences, which means you can go ahead and put in your customer subset with their emails and things like that, which you'll just get from your website, and you can get a custom audience based off of those people. So it's like the characteristics of your customers you'll be able to generate an audience list based off those people. Another thing is if you're looking for high engagement and conversions, then you can use the really, really popular Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels as well, and you can do adverts on there. And then if you are an e-commerce company and you're looking to showcase multiple products, you can always utilize their carousel ads as well. I think for businesses that need high visibility and a lot of audience engagement, there's no more powerful tool than Facebook and Instagram advertising. And now, speaking of engagement and speaking of virality, that moves us perfectly onto our next platform, which is TikTok ads. Now, TikTok ads are actually a newer platform compared to your Meta and your Google, but they have scaled so rapidly. I have put them third in our list. So for me anyway, the businesses that should use this are companies that are targeting Gen Z/millennials. I think e-commerce businesses as well, looking for some exposure and looking for that virality, I guess you could say. And then another one, which probably not a lot of people have thought about, is creators and influencers looking to scale and looking to grow their audience rapidly. The reason why TikTok ads work is genuinely just the number of people on the platform. There is something crazy like 1.52 billion people already on TikTok, and it released 5-6 years ago. It didn't release that long ago. And unlike your Google, unlike Instagram, Facebook, TikTok can rapidly put your video to a lot of people. With the way that the algorithm works, it's a kind of, as soon as it goes out, you are generating traffic, which can reward businesses overnight. Now, to get the most out of TikTok advertising, here are the 4 or 5 strategies that I would use. For e-commerce companies, I do shoppable ads. So you can put up a video and then I will have a little button link where people can shop directly from your video or directly from your ad. All they need to do is swipe right or swipe up. Spark ads are really good, and it's a twist on Instagram and Facebook's boosted posts, and this just boosts your best organic content. That's really, really good. In-feed ads just appear like an organic post would, which can increase engagement, but can also reduce the effectiveness of your call to action. And then if you're looking to get the most out of your money, you could do branded hashtag challenges as well. So people are actually going ahead and sharing your advertising. So for businesses really looking to tap into the viral marketing play, then TikTok ads is definitely one of the most powerful tools to use in 2025. Now, from virality and Gen Z to LinkedIn advertising, which is solely, well, not solely, but mainly B2B companies are going to be using this. Now, I've actually got a few more companies that could possibly use it. So I'm talking about high ticket luxury products, obviously B2B companies, and then service-based companies as well. Because of the, I guess, quality of the leads and quality of the audience on LinkedIn, you are going to be paying a premium. And I think that suits high luxury e-commerce companies and B2B businesses the best. Now, the reason that why LinkedIn works is it can literally give you some of them, and you can literally access some of the most powerful people in the world. It has a really highly targeted B2B list and B2B audience as well. You can go ahead and reach professionals based on their job titles, interest, their company size. Now, unlike other platforms, I would definitely say that LinkedIn is your best option for lead generation and not so much online sales. My personal favorite methods of advertising on LinkedIn are the in-mail ads, where you can directly message somebody. So you can get a message directly to somebody's phone from a LinkedIn advertisement. So if your business sells to other businesses, then I would highly recommend getting on LinkedIn advertising. My next platform, and I briefly mentioned them earlier, is going to be YouTube advertising. And this is for people that are looking to tell a story. So who are the people that should really use it? Now, for me anyway, I think coaches and consultants. I think brands that are already doing video marketing, maybe on TikTok, maybe on Instagram, trying out YouTube advertising as well. And then also brands that are looking to generate brand awareness as well. Another one that I actually just forgot was e-commerce brands that are looking to do product demonstration videos, or even apps that are looking to do product demonstration videos as well. So why on earth would you advertise on YouTube ads? Now, YouTube is actually the second biggest search engine behind, you guessed it, Google. And with that, you can generate the positives of Google, but then convert them using video content. Because video is one of the most engaging content formats, businesses can actually build trust and authority with their customer in real time off an advertisement. There are a few different YouTube ad options, including skippable advertisements, non-skippable advertisements. So the skippable advertisements are going to be best for storytelling and gives the user the option to kind of get rid of your company, I guess you could say, and not watch it. But then those people who do end up watching it are engaged. And if you can get the first 6 seconds right, which is what YouTube allows, so that gives them the chance to skip after 6 seconds. So if you get that first 6 seconds right, you can generate like a really engaged audience for that specific ad. Now, the non-skippables is probably best for when you're wanting to hit people straight away with information. Maybe it is a product launch. Maybe it is a description of some type, or like a product explanation. That's your non-skippable advertisements. And then your other one is probably going to be the discovery ads, which come up in a search. So say if I search for how to start a marketing agency, a coach or a consultant that helps people start their marketing agencies would like to be up at the top for that. So they would create a discovery ad. So if your business has strong video content, then I would highly recommend YouTube as an advertising platform. Or if you're just looking to start strong video content, or you're looking to start video content, then I would highly recommend YouTube as an advertising platform. Now, the final advertising platform is going to be Pinterest, and this is going to be best for fashion brands and e-commerce brands as well. So who really is this for? As I mentioned, it's going to be for fashion, lifestyle, home decor that are looking to generate like visual driven sales. It could also be e-commerce stores that are looking to sell like DIY, or again, like quite nice looking product. And then just to go back to kind of like the creator influencers, so food, travel, that kind of stuff, bloggers who are also looking to generate an audience and create content as well. So why does Pinterest work? Now, Pinterest kind of works like a visual search engine, right? So once you type in maybe like clothing inspiration, it will come up with a bunch of different businesses basically trying to sell you their clothes. But the positive thing about the audience is they're actively looking for inspiration for those clothes. So if they do see something that they like, then you're kind of in the game. So unlike Facebook and Instagram, where you just kind of randomly hitting them, these people have the high active search intent that Google has, but you're also then hitting them with visually appealing content as well. So it's a really, really underrated advertising platform for e-commerce brands. So the three main Pinterest ads include kind of sponsored pins. So if you've got an organic Pinterest that you've just put up, then you can go ahead and sponsor it. The next one is a shopping ad where people can shop directly from your Pinterest advertisement. And the next one is a video pin where you can capture and engage people with a video, just like YouTube. Like I said, for people who are looking to sell visually appealing products, then Pinterest is going to have to be kind of your go-to. So let me know down in the comment section below, what is your most used advertising platform for your business? Now, just to kind of come to a conclusion here, navigating paid advertising platforms can be overwhelming. It can be really, really hard, but I really hope that today's video has kind of helped you with that and kind of helped you with that process as well, just to explain it a little better. Choosing the right advertising platforms can really affect your business's growth and revenue as well. Now, a little bit more about my company. We specialize in paid advertising management, paid advertising campaign creation as well, and we specialize in all those different channels that I mentioned previously. So if you're ready to launch your ad campaign, don't hesitate to get in contact, book a call with me below, and thank you so much, as usual, for watching today's video.